In today's video, we will show you how to create the ghosting effect for characters. If you're interested, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Editor and click Create. Now, to start a new project, select any video clip and click Add to enter the editing interface. For this effect, we'll need a shot filmed with a tripod or other equipment to keep the camera steady. Start by trimming the clip to keep only the essential parts. Then, move the playhead to find a good point in time. Use the split tool to cut the clip at that point. Next, click the button to add an effect. I'm using the glitch displace effect with a duration of around 0.6 seconds. Now, go back to the editing interface and select the second half of the clip. Find the copy button and create a duplicate of the clip. After that, select the duplicated clip. Tap Move to PIP. Place the pasted clip in the lower track. Next, pinch to zoom in, lengthen the timeline. And shift the duplicated clip by about 10-15 frames to the right. Then, go to Blend Mode and select Soft Light. Adjust the opacity of the duplicated clip to around 70%. Return to the main screen. Find the Effect tab and add any special effect you like. For this example, I'm using Rag. Adjust the targeted track to PIP. Change the duration of the effect to match the clip, and that's it. You've now created the ghosting effect for characters. Now that you've learned this effect, download VideoProc Editor and give it a try.